everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here to announce the winners from the drawing that I had of the 2 butterflies that I made from the Tonic Studios No.6 craft kit. So the first winner that I'm going to announce is going to win, I'm going to call the blue butterfly, the Be Creative butterfly. They're both Be Creative butterflies. The second person, the second winner that I announce, is going to win this one here that I'm showing, the sunrise and the sunset. So after this video post, today is the 24th of February. I had to think about that. So you're going to hear some papers rustling here. And I will ship them out within the week. I'll make sure there's all kinds of insurance and everything else. Once I announce the winners, what I would like you to do is just in the comments below, just let me know that you've acknowledged this, that yay, you won. I'm very excited for both of the winners. And then send me an email, either to my email or through the message of my Facebook. I'll make sure that the links are below so that you can contact me. What I did was I went through all the comments after midnight on the 23rd Eastern Time, and I wrote down everyone's name that gave a technique that they were interested in. I put it into an Excel file, and then I assigned a number to it. So everyone was just put into that list. I then used random.org. I put in, of course, my minimum number and my large number, and then I had it choose the first number. I printed that out, and then I had it choose a second number, and then I printed that out. So those are the order. So the first number, of course, that it chose was the first winner. The second one is the second winner. So when you get these, they're going to be flat. All right. So you can, do whatever you want to have them prop up, and so forth. Okay. So again, I do apologize. This was only open to the US. I can promise you all of my other ones are going to be open for everybody. So this is the list. I don't want to show everybody's name, only because of privacy and so forth. So I'm real quick showing you that the names are there. But that's how the numbers was. Again, it was done in an Excel file. And then I just slid down the numbers so that everyone would have one. So the first winner was number 7. And the person that was number 7 is, drum roll, yep, Nicole Wade. So hopefully I'm pronouncing all that right. Congratulations, you get the blue Be Creative butterfly. So again, you need to contact me. You'll have to give me your address, of course, and then I will get these out to you. The second winner was number 10. And number 10 on the list was Robbie Perkins. You are the winner of the sunrise and sunset butterfly. So I say congratulations to both of you. I am honored that you even wanted to have one of my creations. I hope it does inspire you. I hope it gives you joy when you see them. Okay, but again, remember, down below, just acknowledge that you got this. You have 48 hours to let me know that you've got this, okay? So just let me know. If not, I will then do another drawing. So I also wanted to bring everybody up to date. I know when I showed this, so many people wanted to see and get the kit. This is what they do. They make the kit available from the 7th of the month to the 31st of every month or before. So, for example, Kit 7 was made available from the 7th of February, and it went to the end. Now, what happens is they sold out very quickly. So they'll let a couple come in with the products, and then they'll have to bring in more products. So Kit number 7, the next one after this, is already sold out. So the links are not open on their website. It took me a while to get through to them, but they are wonderful people, and I hope it doesn't discourage you from getting this kit if you're looking to subscribe. So if you want to be current to get kit number 8, That'll be available for purchase and subscription. You want to start checking the website around March 7th. I would even start checking around March 2nd. And you should be able to either complete the subscription monthly or quarterly, buy the one-off. But usually, very shortly after the 7th, it may be sold out. So that's how they work that. Here, I'm just showing you the cards that were made for that. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please list it below. Congratulations to you two, and always be creative.